All my life, people have given me shit about my height. Well, the f with them now, because I've got a massive hog. This drink is in honor of the tiniest Avenger Ant-Man. And to all you vertically challenged motherfuckers out there, this one's for you. So what goes into the Ant-Man? First, you're gonna need some Jack Daniel's Fire. Why? Because fire ants, right? So you're gonna do a bottom layer of Jack Fire. Next, you are going to layer a little bit of Myers Dark Rum as your secondary layer. And then last but not least, you're going to put Everclear as your final layer on top. And then you're going to garnish that bad boy off with a tiny little lamp. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share. And be sure to check us out at aggressivecomics.com. And if you like this shirt, be sure to check it out in the description below. And as always, see you next round. This one's on us.
Thank you for watching Secret of the Booze. Be sure to subscribe and watch past episodes. As always, if you have a geeky cocktail, let us know in the comments below.